716 dispatch.
16.
Gonna be New Jersey registration. Red pickup. Should come back to Silverado.
That's correct.
Keys in the middle of the road, cell phone in the middle of the road.
What's your case? How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? 25. One dispatch.
They're in the back.
Pissed on his tire and then took a spill.
710. Are you out with? I got her on the phone now. She's highly uncooperative. 10-4, yes we are. Yeah.
You got a name?
You're sleeping in the middle of the road.
Your pants are down. Are you diabetic? Probably the wrong answer.
Wallet in the car? Oh. So, Brian, so what's happening now is right now you're going to be placed on arrest for suspicion of DUI. Alright, you're going to go to the hospital, and we're going to do a blood draw. Alright, there's been several calls, and another caller that saw you get out of the car and walk to the back. Alright, so this officer's going to hop on the rig with you. You're going to go over to RWJ.
I drove someone.
I don't know. You didn't tell me that. I'm saying that there's been other callers that have seen you driving, getting out of the car. Okay, who was driving?
No one was driving.
Okay.